Hi everyone, today we are going to make a very easy recipe poha which is almost eaten in every house. I'm just going to show you a little trick with which you can get a melt in mouth texture of poha. So let's begin making poha. We need poha, which is also known as the beaten rice, and one medium sized chopped onion to begin. So first take out about 200 grams of poha in a bowl. So we have taken about 200 grams of poha in one bowl and one medium sized chopped onion. Now we will begin with washing the poha, and we'll wash the poha very nicely because that's an important step to get a soft poha. So we have to wash the poha until we feel the soft texture of poha in our hands. We can keep checking and we can keep washing until we find that texture. So after washing the poha, we'll keep the poha aside in the container. We'll let the water be in the poha. We'll not squeeze out the water. And we are going to add the spices over here, whatever we like in the poha. We'll not add it in the later stage. So first add 2 teaspoons of salt. According to your taste, you can add more or less. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You may avoid it, but it tastes really good in the poha because all the chili and the salt and the sugar will give a really balanced taste. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili, and then lastly 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we are going to mix all of it with gentle hands. This is a little trick that will help us get the soft texture of poha. Now this step is important. We'll mix everything and keep this mixture aside for 10 minutes. Now we'll start frying the onions. So we'll take about 2 tablespoons of oil and add little cumin seeds in it. Let the seeds splutter. Now we add the 1 medium sized chopped onion into the oil and mix. Fry on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is soft and transparent. Now turn the flame to low and cover the onions and cook them for about 5 minutes so that they become golden brown. Now remove the lid and check the onions if they are golden brown. Now we can see the onions are fried and we have got a nice soft texture of the onions. So we are going to add the mixture of poha into it. We'll mix the onion and the poha nicely together. Now after mixing the poha, we'll cover and cook for about 5 minutes to get the soft texture. Turn the flame to low. Now remove the lid and check the poha. Now we come to the last step. We will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, whatever is available at your home. As you can see, the poha is really nicely done. We can mix it again and check the spices also if there is a need to add anything. But the poha is ready. It's soft and it's really nice. You can serve hot and see the texture is so soft and it is almost a melt in mouth texture poha. You can add a little bit of peanuts, you can add a little bit of bhujia in it, and you can have it in your breakfast or in your tea time. It is a lovely snacks for kids as well. So do try and let me know how it was.